This afternoon to start the work week, we had pretty nice conditions, feeling like spring all across the Wiregrass. Some cloud cover has been streaming through the area, filtering out the sun in the later part of the day, but overnight that cloud cover will certainly start to increase ahead of our next storm system and along with the southerly breeze, which helped our temperatures to warm up pretty nicely into the 60s. Here's the front that we are tracking that will eventually bring us some bitterly cold temperatures going into Tuesday, but ahead of that, some rain is developing with that cold air funneling in. We will start to see that switch over to snow and a wintry mix for northern Mississippi and northern Alabama for tonight. The best chance for the accumulating snow will be to the north of the Wiregrass, but we could see a brief switch over to a few flakes mixed in as we head into the tail end of the rain moving through the area. You can see our in-house computer model hour by hour through the day tomorrow, giving us that snow for Montgomery, and it looks like we could start to see some of that switch over for Pike County very briefly. No accumulation expected, but just a few flakes might be flying around. Our main concern will be with the cold air funneling in on the backside of that front, with some of the water that might still be on the roadways and bridges refreezing. So be careful going out early Wednesday morning, and also certainly be careful if you will be traveling to Montgomery and points northward into the Tennessee Valley as well. A secondary front will move through on Wednesday afternoon and give us a reinforcing shot of colder and drier air going into Thursday, so the 20s will be with us for at least a couple of mornings. Now, as far as the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings, those are in the northern part of the state. Montgomery is included in that winter weather advisory, and pretty much from North Georgia all the way into central Mississippi, that's where we do expect there to be a swath of accumulating snow, not including our area. So either way, the cold rain will begin Tuesday morning, likely after sunrise, with the highest amount, say, mid-morning into the early afternoon, with the heaviest rain. And a wintry mix is possible for our northern counties. Pike County and Barber counties do have the best chance of seeing anything in the way of snowflakes or sleet pellets flying around. But there again, we don't expect there to be accumulating snow and sleet anywhere within the Wiregrass. And then as that system clears out, that's when those temperatures will really cool off. For Tuesday, we will start off the day in the 40s. Our high temperature will be a few degrees warmer than that. And then here we are for Wednesday, then 26 degrees as you head out the door, 29 for Thursday. We will have a slight warming trend going into the later part of the work week and for the first half of the weekend. And our afternoons by then will be rather comfortable. 50s for us right now, southwesterly breeze helping those temperatures to stay on the mild side for us this evening, and they'll be slow to cool off into the 40s overnight. We'll be in the lower 40s at that, and then tomorrow morning, early in the morning, we will be in the middle to upper 40s with the rain building in. And then as that temperature is dropping off, depends on how fast that air is able to move into the area and how quickly the rain's able to clear out. If the cold air moves in a little bit sooner, we could see a slightly longer duration with the switch over to some wintry precipitation. But there again, even if that does happen, it's going to be the northern part of the area that might see some flakes flying around. And no matter the scenario at this point, we do not expect anything in the way